functional group containing carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and the halogens. So let's have a look at what type of functional groups may have these type of atoms. So if organic compounds are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen as a functional group, then they are known as amines. So amines have basically nitrogen in their functional group. On the other hand, if we are talking about the different compounds that have functional group as a halogens along with the carbon and hydrogen, then these are known as the alkyl halides. So we will learn about the amines and the alkyl halides in this section. So let's have a look at what are amines and what are the alkyl amino group. So basically in amino group, the group NH2 is gonna to be attached with the alkyl radical. It is going to be attached with the alkyl radical or alkyl group. If we have alkyl group R and along with it is NH2 group, so this is the simple or the general formula for the amines, and this group NH2 it is known as the amino group. So this is the general formula. Let's have an example for the amino group. If we have an example of the amino group, then alkyl radical, for example, from methane, we just get the methyl, and then by attaching methyl with the amino group, we'll get the methyl, and the word we will just add amine. The formula for this we have methane is CH4. By removing one hydrogen, we just get the methyl like CH3. Now by adding amino group, we just get CH3NH2. So its name is methyl amine. Likewise, if we have methyl or as given to we have ethyl, then CH3 and CH2 bond plus NH2, we have CH3, CH2 and amino group. Now its name is ethylamine. Name if methyl group is attached, then its name is methylamine, and if ethyl group is going to be attached, then this name is ethylamine. So this is all about the amino group. Amino group is the NH2 group that is going to be attached with the alkyl radical and forming the amines. Next we have the second functional group that is containing carbon, hydrogen and the halogens. So if the functional group having carbon and hydrogen, it means it is having the alkyl group. Along with if we attach the halogens, and these halogens are going to be denoted with the X. These are the halogens. If we have halogens with the alkyl radicals like R, X, now this is known as the alkyl halide group. Alkyl halide group. In alkyl halide group, the functional group is mainly the halogen, and the halogens are denoted by X. Now, what are the halogens? Mainly halogens are the group 7A elements, and group 7A elements we have fluorine F2, we have chlorine, we have bromine Br2, and we have iodine I2. So these are the mainly four halogen atoms that just attach to the alkyl group and forming the alkyl halides. And the letter R is going to denote the alkyl and X is going to denote the halide or the halogen group. For example, if we have methane or the methyl group, then by attaching it with the chlorine, we just get the methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. Like methyl group is CH3. By attaching it with the chlorine atom, we just gain CH3Cl. Now its name is methyl chloride. And Along with the chloride, by changing this, we may have bromide over there, then its name will be methyl bromide. And if we have fluoride, then methyl fluoride. And if we have iodine, then its name will be methyl iodide. So this type of functional group we just call as alkyl halides. Halides, the word is gonna to be come from the halogens, and the alkyl is the simple hydrocarbon part. So this is all about our today's lecture. The functional groups containing carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen are known as amino or amines, and the functional containing carbon, hydrogen, and halogens are known as the alkyl halides. I hope you guys understand about the today's lecture. And if you have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon, inshallah. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.